This is a workbench and a heavy vise for sale. A glider. Bookshelf. Some skis. A small baby rocker, an old one. The sofas are free. A little cabinet. This is walnut. As you can see, there's a lot of material here, a lot of things for sale. Sofa chair, that's free. The furniture is for sale. Wooden furniture is for sale. The furniture like sofas, sofa beds, and things like that, they're all free. Anything with the fabric is free. Have boxes of books. There's a couple bales of straw for sale. An antique carriage. A couple bags of clothes. A nice bureau. Some foam insulation. Another bureau. Some chairs. A box of tapes. So give us a call at 215-651-8329. Thank you.